bouquet hair, and this bone straight is whoa. It's beautiful. I am so happy I did. With the closure is beautiful, and I also got a bounce. Yeah, I love the bounce. I love the bounce with the closure. And guess what? I got a free hair. Thanks, Lani. I got a free hair, my free gift. Whoa, this is beautiful. This is nice. I can't wait to wig this. I just can't wait to wig it. Yeah. Then I also got a free bag. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. They are beautiful. The hairs are lovely. With